Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Dr. Sanjukta Barkataki's YouTube channel. Here I am today with one of the most emerging and concerning topic during this pandemic time. With the COVID crisis going on for now almost 9 to 10 months, there is a significant spike in depression cases, suicidal rate, substance abuse and addiction. That being said, today we will be taking a tour of one of the drug and alcohol recovery treatment center slash behavioral health. It's known as Continuum Recovery Center. It's located in the Frederick downtown, right in front of the Frederick Middle School, and it's right on the bus route as well as very close to the Baker's Park. It's a very prime location, easily accessible by public commuters as well. Continuum Recovery Center is specialized in outpatient, intensive outpatient as well as DUI, which is driving under influence. I was able to take appointment with the management team. So let's go in and check how the facility looks like and what are the programs they are providing. And one of the most important thing I would like to let you know that even during this pandemic time, they are open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and they are providing services 101 in person as well as virtual, so which is very important. So let's go in and check it out and talk to the management team. Their office is located in the Terrace Office Center, and they are in the second floor of the building. So let's go in and check it out. So this is the entrance. They have a security door here for the client's privacy. So let's go in. Here is the corridor, and we will go right in front of the elevator. We'll take the elevator and then go upstairs. Offices here, and Continuum is at the end of the hallway. So now let's go and talk to the clinical director of the office and learn about the program. Hi Donna.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you for your time today.
No problem.
So as you can see, Donna is wearing her mask. So they are completely following, 100% following the CDC guideline. But we know that with the mask put on, it's not very clear, and we don't want to miss out any important information about the program. So we are going to take off our mask, but we will maintain our 6 feet social distancing. How are you today, Donna?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. So, as you know, with the crisis going on, there is so much of more cases for suicidal rate, depression, and addiction, etc. So, for my friends and followers, basically, I would like to go through with you the program.
Okay.
What are the programs basically you guys are following, and I would like to know the objective of Continuum Recovery Center. What is the main objective?
Well, our main objective is to help anybody in the community that needs recovery in any way that we can. According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI, back beginning I guess March of this year, they started to do statistics, and from March to the beginning of September, they say that there's been a 30% increase in
Wow.
addiction, overdoses, and suicide rates.
That's significant, 30%.
It is significant, and we believe that one life lost is one too many. So we are here as a resource for anybody who needs help. We do addiction recovery. We offer IOP, intensive outpatient, standard outpatient, individual treatment, and then we also offer DUI classes for anybody who has been arrested or for drunk driving. We take all major insurances. Right now we're currently out of network, but we have applied to be in-network providers, which is going to help our clients. And we also take Medicaid, which I understand is a great help for a lot of people.
Absolutely. And do you want to give send out a positive note for our viewers and mainly for the clients? If they are listening, sometimes they are hesitant to come in front and they don't know when to speak out loud. They just sometimes think like, okay, I'm feeling low, I will be able to handle it, and
Right.
things gets worse. So some message from an expert will be very helpful for them.
Well, I believe that no one should have to suffer. And if you have an addiction issue, you are suffering. And there is a life out there that you can live. We just need to get you past this point. So my message is there is hope, and there is recovery, and there's treatment. And that's why we're here, to offer the treatment, to give you the hope, and to make sure that you can be the best you can be.
Thank you so much, Donna. I greatly appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
And I hope our clients, they get this positive message and step out of their house and then contact you guys.
I hope so too, because we're here, we're waiting for you. Just knock on the door, make that phone call, whatever it takes, come on in.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So now we are in front of one of the co-founder and president of Continuum Recovery Center, Rita Patel. Thank you, Rita, for your time. I greatly appreciate. I know you guys are very busy, but I greatly appreciate for giving us this time.
Well, I thank you too. And thank you for coming and talking to us.
Thank you. And to start with, one of the interesting questions I have in my mind is what motivated you to step out and start this recovery center? This is such a good, noble thought, and to help people, it's a big thing. So, what motivated you?
Well, you're touching my heart when you ask that question. So, first of all, my name is Rita Patel. I am the co-founder and president of Continuum, which is located in the heart of Frederick City. What we do here is where I would start. We provide services, and they come as a program that help people recover from alcohol and drug addiction. There are different levels of services that we provide, IOP, OP, DUI, to name a few. The passion comes from my personal life. I've been a resident of Frederick, Maryland for more than 30 years. I have helped the communities that are very close to me in different ways. Why Continuum? Well, as I explained to you, Continuum provides services for recovery for different addictions. I have truly lost loved ones to this addiction. So it's been a passion and mission of mine to help somebody in a very meaningful way. And why wouldn't I support the community I live in? That's the short answer.
That's a very good thought, Rita. And I hope our client gets this message, because as I was telling Donna, that a lot of people are hesitant, even like they don't speak out to their family members.
It's a sensitive topic, yes. So So I want to help people in this profession. That's where I teamed up with my co-founder, and we came up with a vision as to this is what we want to do, and we are only going to expand from here to touch more lives as we can.
Great.
Thank you.
So good to know. Let us meet with the Chief Operation Officer as well as the co-founder of Continuum, Rishi Barkataki.
Thank you, Dr. Barkataki, for having me in your channel.
Sure, thank you. So Rishi, would you mind telling our audience a little bit about Continuum?
Sure. This has been an interesting journey. Continuum Recovery Center, we founded back in 2019, end of 2019 with my partner. And it's basically a behavioral health treatment facility and licensed by the Maryland Department of Health under the Behavioral Health Administration. We are accredited by the Accreditation Commission of Healthcare, which is also known as the ACHC, which is one of the highest level in the healthcare industry.
That is very interesting, Rishi. So could you tell us a little bit about your role as the Chief Operating Officer in Continuum?
As the Chief Operations Officer of Continuum, I'm responsible for a wide-ranging functions actually that includes, growth and strategy of the company along with expansion. That is where I'm mostly focused on, and I'm also committed to providing a service center which provides outstanding client clinical experience. Our midterm plan, so to speak, of Continuum is to have an in-house continuum of care where we can provide the highest level of services that would include the detox, and to step down, it will be residential, inpatient and PHP. So that is all we are planning to do at this point of time, although we are just currently licensed for the outpatient and the OP, including the DUI, like I said.
I think that is very informational, and especially during this time of COVID crisis when 30% of increase in addiction, suicidal rate has been going on. So in this scenario, I think having a continuum of care is very important. So Rishi, could you please let us know and our audience know a little about the vision and the mission of Continuum?
Interesting question. Our mission at Continuum is to support and provide individuals and families improved mental health addiction recovery services through evidence-based treatment. That is the key word. Everything is science-based nowadays, so it's very important that in order for us to sustain in this industry, it has to be evidence-based. We strongly believe that reducing or preventing the harms of alcohol and other drugs use through education, intervention, and advocacy. So, and in terms of our vision, like our mission, our vision is very ambitious. Our vision is to work towards a community free of alcohol and drug addictions, making sure, the misuse of the related problems so that everyone can lead a very healthy lifestyle. And that's all, as a team of Continuum, we all look forward to.
Thank you so much, Rishi. As you can see, this is very helpful, and I'm pretty sure from the mission of Continuum, a lot of people in our community will have helpful guidance. So with that, I would like to really appreciate your time, Rishi. Thank you so much for coming.
Thanks for having me here. Thank you.
Admitting that you or your loved one is having chemical dependency is not an easy thing to accept. So if you find yourself really hard to stop alcohol or drug, and you have seen adverse consequences at work, social life or family life, please do not wait. Please reach out to a specialist. Here at Continuum, the specialists are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, as well as on weekends on Saturdays. Please reach out to them at 301-637-0222. I repeat once again, 301-637-0222. They are here to help you offer you helping hand and caring hearts and guide you through the journey of recovery and healing, please reach out to them. And thank you for watching my channel. If you find this information helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.